Welcome to Lingala Institute. In this Lingala lesson, I will be teaching you a few sentences and some vocabularies. Kozala mutu malamu to mutu mabe. To be a good person or a bad person. Naza mutu malamu. I am a good person. Oza mutu malamu. You are a good person. Aza mutu malamu. He is or she is a good person. Toza batu malamu. We are good people. Boza batu malamu. You are good people. Baza batu malamu. They are good people. Malamu is good. Mabe is bad. Malamu good. Mabe is bad. Naza mutu mabe. I am a bad person. Oza mutu mabe. You are a bad person. Aza mutu mabe. He or she is a bad person. Toza batu mabe. We are bad people. Boza batu mabe. You are bad people. Baza batu mabe. They are bad people. Okay, I will repeat them in a bit. Okosi, you are lying. Olobi ya solo, you are telling the truth. Eza lokuta, it is a lie. Eza ya solo, it is true. Osali mabe, you did wrong. Osali malamu, you did good. Okay, I will repeat everything from the beginning so that you can memorize easily. Kozala mutu malamu to mutu mabe. To be a good person or a bad person. Naza mutu malamu. I am a good person. Oza mutu malamu. You are a good person. Aza mutu malamu. He or she is a good person. Toza batu malamu. We are good people. Boza batu malamu. You are good people. Baza batu malamu. They are good people. Okay, now mabe. Naza mutu mabe. You are a bad person. Oza mutu mabe. You are a bad person. Aza mutu mabe. He or she is a bad person. Toza batu mabe. We are bad people. Boza batu mabe. You are bad people. Baza batu mabe. They are bad people. Okosi, you are lying. Olobi ya solo, you say you are telling the truth. Eza lokuta, it is a lie. Eza ya solo, it is the truth. Osali mabe, you did bad, you did wrong. Osali malamu, you did a good thing. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you like this Lingala lesson. I will try to make a few videos every week, so please subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you so much and bye bye.